Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Sbmachineshop. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage.
You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazy Man Garage.
So I just got done working and there's not much filler to this video. So Sbmachineshop came by and they gave me the videos for Jay's head. So I'm gonna put that in here right now so you guys can see what they did. Sbmachineshop will take it over right now.
Taking apart the cylinder head for Lazy Man. As you can see, a lot of sludge buildup. Cylinder head. Lazymangarage, his buddy brought his head in, so we're taking it apart from him. He requested that we take video of the beginning to the end, so this is the first stage, is taking her apart. There's a lot of sludge buildup, overheated, so we're gonna go ahead and do the whole 9 on this one. So stay tuned, guys. That's it. So what we're doing here is we're taking the valve locks off of the cylinder head. So you take the valve locks off, and then it releases the spring, which releases the valve. So you can see all the sludge buildup in here. It's really sludgy, it's nasty, it's grimy. This is really slippery stuff. So you guys need to maintain your engines, regular oil changes, tune-ups, etc. And these Honda engines will run forever. I always wanted to do a segment like get like an afro and do like what's that guy's name? Jeffrey Ross?
Oh, the painter?
The painter. They do like a black background and like he building a head or something.
Hell yeah.
Jeffrey Ross, right?
Some shit like that. Rick Ross?
That's the fucking rapper.
Oh, right. Wrong guy. They both got afros.
Huh?
They both got afros, I bet.
So his head's pretty healthy, but it could get healthier. It was a healthy head, but just the maintenance was off. But it was running fine. Blew the head gasket. And I know why it blew the head gasket. It's because the previous machine shop resurfaced it with a belt sander. And the belt sander doesn't really last as much as a diamond because it's not as precise. It depends on the pressure, how much pressure the person who's sanding it does. And if he even does perfectly even pressure, which is impossible. So now that we have it apart, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and let it drain a little bit so it drains out that oil and muck. and then I'll throw it in the hot kit. Cut. So for the parts, we use a tumbler to get them really clean. So we bring the parts over here, and we bring them into the tumbler, and it tumbles, and there's little stones, little polishing stones that we use. So it just spins and cleans the parts. Pretty simple. Some people use ultrasonic cleaners, but for parts it's not necessary. Kind of overkill. The tumbler will do that.
Which way is it rotating? No, just kidding.
Right in there, kid.
We're gonna steam wash this thing.
So it's been tanked. As you can see, most of it came off, but we'll get the rest of it out. So what we're doing now is we're going to heat up the cylinder head. The things that it helps us do is lift off some of the carbon. It softens the aluminum up for us. It allows us to remove valve seals a lot easier. We don't want to get the head too hot because we'll damage it, so we heat it up to a certain temperature, and then we let it cool down, remove the seals, and then we give it another clean. So we blasted the head. Now we're gonna give it another wash, and then after that, machine work, and then a final wash. Good job. Alright, so now we already installed the guides. This has fresh guides in it. Now we're going to perform the valve job. So we already set the machine up. I'm not going to show how to set it up because it's going to take too long. And it'll probably be boring to you, so we'll just get to the nitty-gritty. So I'm going to set my machine up to cut. The head is already set up, meaning it's balanced for the cut itself. So I'll set this up real quick. This doesn't take that long. So I'll do my first cut. So what we're doing here is a 3-angle valve job. Essentially what we're doing is that's exactly, we're putting the 3 angles into the cylinder head. I'll do it slow so you guys kind of get an idea or see it cutting. So this is probably the most interesting part of my job and my most favorite part. As you can see, it's cutting into the seat and the 3 angles are coming out little by little. That's why we dye it, so we can see where it's cutting and how it's cutting. Zoom in there, Caesar. So that's the 3 angles right there. We'll go ahead and do this to all 16 seats, intake and exhaust.
Once again, thank you to the guys at Sbmachineshop, Caesar, Albert. You guys are amazing. If you guys need anything done for your motor, please go on over to their Instagram. Link is down below. Let them know that I sent you. They are located in San Bernardino, and they do work worldwide. They even do work for BZ Moto. If that doesn't say anything, I don't know what will. But I'm going to end the video here. If you guys need anything for your car, whether it be lights, headlights, taillights, the works, head on over to OMO Motorsports. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.